Those are the nail stickers. Oh my gosh! Fluffy. I hope you hope your birthday is as bright and as happy as you. Make the world around as you make the world around you. Happy birthday, Emery Love, Ryan H. Hi, birthday girl. Hi, birthday girl. Okay. Sorry. Oh my god.
Puppy! Oh, look!
I have a collar for a real friend. It's a donation. It's a
Where's the steal it?
one. I know.
Oh, it's steal it.
You're gonna die.
I'm gonna steal this. No, I am.
What's this?
What?
No, I am.
No.
Back. What's this?
Back up, girls.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I have it for a real friend. It's smaller and it's a donation.
Emery.
Oh. Thank you.
Want to give him a hug and say thanks, Ryan?
Thank you. You're welcome.
Oh, you guys are cute.
So funny. Who wants to fuzz it? Me.
So mean. Hey, Emery, open this one.
It's from Tave.
This one's from Tave. Tave, darling. Tave.
Oh, little Tavy. Thank you, Tave, wherever you are.
He's sleeping,
Oh.
thankfully.
Whoa there.
A baby. No.
You can actually put it in water.
Yes.
That was awesome, Caitlin.
Thank you, Tave. Buggy, wherever you are.
Okay, open this one.
Okay, what's that one?
This one, who is this from, Emery?
Quinn.
Funny. I think his brother's coming to the door.
Okay.
Trying to see from
Oh.
That's fun.
Ow. You put them on the end of the handle bars of your bike.
Ooh, yeah,
Who's here?
Mike, you want to go answer it? In your Superman shirt.
One of Emery's friends?
No, it's, his brother.
Dylan! What? Oh, I'm just gonna pick you up. Oh, look at my goodies. Look, goodies.
Quinn, do you know him?
Wait.
You want to go say hi?
Oh, I don't know him. I know a different Dylan.
You know a different Dylan?
One, what's up?
Whoa.
Hey, Emery, walk Ryan to the door and thank him for coming.
Thanks for coming.
That'd be so funny.
I didn't know my name.
If you
If you suck it, tell me that.
Oh, he would never do anything. He's so nice.
Any more presents? Teddy bear. Hey!
And that one is from...
This one's from Dashel.
This one's from Dashel.
Oh! That is awesome! That looks like...
Yeah, I have one of those. I got them for my birthday and Christmas. So I got two sets. Thank you, Dashel.
Let's see, show it.
I have
Ooh.
2 pairs of those.
Quinn. Oh, wow. Say thanks, Dashel.
Thanks, Dashel.
Okay, all right.
Whoa.
Now this one, is this one from Maddie?
Yep. I guess you'll have to wait for the best one.
Save the best for last.
Yeah. Mine. Oh. And I
Ooh.
only paid like $7 for yours. I got them all at Side Deal yesterday. Where's yours?
Oh.
Right there, the red one. Oh.
Emery.
But you gotta finish yours first. Yeah.
Emery, why don't you finish the one from Maddie?
Yeah, there's more.
But wait, there's more.
Oh, she got me an Oreo and a Milky Way.
Ooh,
sounds really
tasties.
For my birthday.
Oh, and a card.
I already agreed with them all for my 16th birthday. We're gonna have a big bouncy house.
Happy birthday.
Hey, hey.
Not really.
Emery,
I said not really, of course
from
I am.
Maddie.
Not really.
Yeah, wow. Aw, thank you, Maddie. And here. You're gonna put it. I know you're gonna love it.
I have those.
Read the poem.
Oh, I had that.
I'm usually last.
Wait, when Vincent's birthday?
May 11th.
That's my birthday.
You're so funny.
I thought I was gonna be in the living room.
There's two more in there. There's two more. There's two more. There's two more in those. In there. I know. Oh, what's this? I got them all on my pillow. Kangaroos. Oh, crap. You stick them together. You can stick them to different things and take them apart and do it again. Ooh.
Cool.
The head was much space. I have no. They don't work. They don't. I have those. They don't work.
My friend Samantha has them. Oh,
What?
Did you clean the back?
Ooh, nail
I
polish.
already have some on, but some just came off. Watch this. Ta-da! It farted.
Whoa. Somebody's here. Hey, what you got?
Oh man.
Oh wait, here's a shoe.
Oh, I need to go outside. Thank you, Caitlin. You're welcome. Yay.
How are you, Ashley? Oh, cute.